This quick training tutorial is designed to help you understand accounting requirements code. Before we get into the lesson, there are some key points that need to be discussed. The first key point is that this code is a one-position alphabetic code that puts an item into one of three categories. Either it will be durable, non-expendable, or expendable. The second key point is that it also identifies the way an item is accounted for by the Army. For example, if that item has to be on the property book for accountability, if it has to be on a sub-hand receipt or hand receipt for accountability, or if it has to be on a stock record account. The third key point is that the transaction code MM03 can be used to display the ARC code of an item inside of GCSS Army. Non-expendable items are major end items that retain its original identity during use. Non-expendable items are coded with an N in the Army Master Data File. These items require property book accountability after issue from the stock record account. They are usually managed on sub-hand receipts or stock storage locations inside of GCSS Army. Some examples of non-expendable items include Humvee, laptop, rifle, tent, etc. Durable items are not consumed during use. Durable items are coded with the D in the Army Master Data File. These items do not require property book accountability after issue from the stock record account, but they do require hand receipt control for hand tools. Other items coded durable will be monitored by the commander or the designee. Items can be managed on a durable document control register. Some examples of durable items include hand tools, software over $100, drip pens, etc. Expendable items are consumed in use. Expendable items are coded with an X in the Army Master Data File. These items do not require property book accountability after issue. They can be accounted for using the Green Book or Sign-Out Book. These items are also usually valued at $100 or less. Some examples of expendable items include toilet paper, pens, pencils, notepads, paper clips, Class 9 repair parts, etc. Feel free to visit our website for more videos at CiscoCoppageLLC.com. Join our Facebook at CiscoCoppageLLC.com as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cisco Coppage LLC, and we also would like to thank you for watching and supporting our videos.